guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another review video because you guys seem to like the older one quite a lot. Today I'm reviewing the world famous Maybelline Fit Me range. And a disclaimer, this is a sponsored video, but you guys know I'm going to keep it absolutely honest with you. And today I'm reviewing the base range of the Fit Me range, which consists of the concealer, foundation, loose powder and the compact powder. And it's going to be fun. I have been using these products for quite some time now, and you guys have also been asking for a review of this product range in particular. So I'm very happy to be working with Maybelline on this one. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have some dark circles and redness on my face. For that very reason, I'm starting by concealing it all. I'm using a lighter shade to conceal and highlight at the same time. I start with under my eyes and then move on to conceal all the spots on my face, and as you can see, they are quite a lot. I'm dabbing the concealer into my skin to set the concealer in place. As you can see, it blends beautifully into my skin. Since you're working on your base, don't worry about taking your time. This has now given us an almost even looking surface to begin with. Okay, so I ordered a shade or two lighter by mistake, so please excuse me for looking a little too pale here. I'll put the right shade in the description box along with the rest of the links of the products that I'm using. Okay, I love how flawless the base looks. I added a little more color with a slightly warmer concealer. I'm setting that first with a compact from the Fit Me range as well. After having set the base with compact, I'm now going ahead with the loose finishing powder, and I like the process in this particular order. You can run, jump, shoot videos, even dance, and this base won't move. I've worn these products many times before and they still perform just as well every single time. Okay, so if you're someone who loves a flawless matte base, then this collection is for you. This is how the base looks on its own, and this is how it looks with the rest of the products on it. So this is what the finished makeup looks like. I know I only showed you the base ka process, but I have done this makeup look so many times before. Didn't really think that I had to do this again, and I just wanted to show you guys how flawlessly the base is like applied. Also, this foundation is extremely matte, so this would be the ideal foundation for oily skin types. I have dry combination skin, so I need to prep my base like really well, but that's the case with most foundations because that's just how my skin is. Anyway, also to show you guys how this product performs and if it stays or if it does not, I am going to do a wear test, the footage of which I am going to insert right after this. So I had to come down for a shoot and my base is still intact. I was here in the sunlight, then it's become slightly darker now, and just for the heck of it, I think my base looks pretty good, so it also passes the wear test. It's I think 12 or 1 in the night. I just finished shooting and I just wanted to do another check-in for the foundation and everything in the base product. I think it has just sat on my skin beautifully. It lasted throughout the day. I did not have to do any touch-up with my base. I had to touch up my blush. I changed my lipstick a couple of times because I was shooting different things, but the whole Fit Me range on my face has just stayed on and it still looks just as fresh, just as clean. I did not touch it up even once, didn't even use finishing powder. That's also because I don't sweat too much. So if you have oily skin, or if you have not oily skin per se, if you sweat a lot on your face, you might need a touch up, but apart from that, I don't think so. So that's amazing. Alright, so I think by now you guys already know that I am really into this range. My favorite product has to be the concealer. I already have like 2 shades with me. I have finished, I want to say at least 3 to 4 like tubes, bottles of it already. I've been using it for over 3 years. I would say that the foundation is definitely better suited for oily skin types a lot more. and my skin, especially mine, needs a lot of skincare prep, but that's with any kind of foundation that I use. This is my favorite. The next favorite from this range has to be the loose finishing powder. However, I do like the finishing powder along with the compact. I think together they sit really well as opposed to just the finishing powder on top of my base directly, and that's kind of the point of a finishing powder. It's supposed to be put after you're done with your whole makeup. So you can put it on after you're done with your blush and the rest of the things, or you can put it on directly on top of your base, which is exactly what I did. Also, I chose the right color of the loose finishing powder, which is why my base looks like not as white as it did in the beginning, which is definitely a good thing. I really like how much warmth it adds to my face and how well it sits. You already saw in the wear test that it performs really well. My base does not move. My base still looks as fresh as it was when I started this video. So yeah, I think that's about it. Also, these are non-comedogenic and very lightweight. That means that they are not going to clog your pores, which makes them perfect like products for wearing under your masks. And wearing masks is the new normal, right? So we have to make sure that the products that we're using on our face actually are going to match our current requirements. Our current requirements do need a mask on our face all the time, which is not an option, by the way. So I think the Fit Me range actually fits quite perfectly there. And yeah, the Maybelline Fit Me range, Little Miss Gurung approves. That is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Also, let me know if you've used this, how do you like it, what is your shade. I will also be linking the product in the description box, so if you want to buy, you can go buy it as well. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.